In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Smartsheet dashboard that won't load. Like if your Smartsheet dashboard is stuck, blank, or taking too long to appear, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try to get it working again. We'll go through the most common fixes in a clear order so you can quickly figure out where the problem is coming from. The first thing to do is refresh the Smartsheet dashboard page. Sometimes the page may fail to load properly because of a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is often enough to solve it. You can reload the page using your browser's refresh button or the usual keyboard shortcut. Give it a moment after refreshing to see if the dashboard loads completely. If that doesn't help, check your internet connection. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform, so it depends on a stable connection to load dashboards correctly. If your internet is weak or unstable, the page may hang or fail to display certain elements. Try opening another website to confirm that your connection is working normally. If needed, reconnect to your network and then try loading the dashboard again. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old website data, and that stored information can sometimes interfere with how pages load. Clearing the cache and cookies helps your browser fetch a fresh version of the dashboard. After doing this, reopen your browser, sign back in if necessary, and test the page again. Another useful step is to disable browser extensions that may be blocking Smartsheet. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking add-ons, can interfere with website content and prevent dashboards from loading properly. Temporarily turn off any suspicious or unnecessary extensions, then reload the dashboard to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem continues, try opening the dashboard in another browser. This helps you determine whether the issue is specific to your current browser. For example, if the dashboard works fine somewhere else, then the original browser may have a setting, extension, or cached file causing the problem. You should also check whether Smartsheet is having a service issue. Sometimes the problem is not on your end at all. If Smartsheet is experiencing downtime or a platform-wide outage, dashboards may not load for anyone. Visit Smartsheet's status page or official updates to confirm whether there is an active issue. If the dashboard still does not load after trying all of these steps, the next move is to contact Smartsheet support. Let them know what you've already tried so they can help you faster and troubleshoot the issue more effectively. That's how to troubleshoot a Smartsheet dashboard that won't load.